Laundry day drawing fun. Swish, swish, spin around. Do you know what laundry is? It's when you wash your dirty clothes in a big machine called a washing machine. But today, we are not doing real laundry. We are going to draw laundry and play together with crayons. Let's do some art laundry. First, the pink soap goes round and round. Then the light blue soap spins around, super sparkly and clean. And don't forget the orange soap, it smells so good. Let's start by drawing our favorite outfit. Grab your crayons and draw something fun, maybe a stripy shirt or a polka dot dress. You can even add cool patterns and pictures. Make it colorful and exciting. Now it's laundry time. Oh, where's the switch? Don't worry, we'll draw our own washing machine buttons. Round ones, triangle ones, maybe even heart-shaped or square ones too. Alright, let's press the button. Click. Splash, splash, spin, spin. In goes the light blue soap, gently now. If we press too hard, we might hurt our crayons. Now let's add some fabric softener. Let's make it pink and swirly. All the colors are spinning and mixing, it's like a bubbly rainbow. Oops, it's overflowing. That's okay. It just means our laundry is full of color and fun. Once you're done drawing, you can glue your clothes to the page to make them look like they are tumbling in the washer. Flip over your crayon clothes, ask a grown-up or teacher for a little glue, and press them on carefully. Don't forget to close the glue cap when you're all finished. Click. Where should we hang our colorful laundry art? Maybe on the wall, or in the classroom gallery. Okay, you did such a great job spinning and drawing your laundry. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun.